All right, we got here a 75 VW Bug with a look at this Chevy motor with a blower on it. So it's not really a Bug. It's a 350 4-bolt main, rebuilt by mid-mile cam, 5.1 lift, roller rockers, 5-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering, tilt wheel. So it's on an S10 chassis. It's an S10. It's got an S10 chassis in it. S10 truck, Chevy truck chassis. That thing might run hot with that thing. You know that?
Well, intake.
It might. It might. I don't know. But then again, maybe not, because the top of it's open. You know. Oh, it's a lot of engine heat escape. I don't want to say an offhand remark that I don't know what I'm talking about here, which that's often the case sometimes. But I'm just looking at the size of that radiator and the size of the engine. I'm like, wow. Who knows? Maybe it does work though. Maybe it does. There's a lot of engine. See this thing coming down the road, man. Yeah, it depends on where you're driving. If it's like 65 degrees out, probably got no problem. Maybe in 100 degrees or something. You know. Look at this stuff, man. Look at that. All the instrumentation in there for sale. And of course, you don't have the little 570 15 tires on there. Look at that, a lot of meat back there. You need that. I mean, an engine probably weighs as much as a car in this thing. I like how the exhaust comes out, how he's got that. I wonder what's in the back then. So the engine's up front. It's got to be a trunk, right? It's got to be a trunk. So he made a... Must be a... I don't know. What is this? I don't know. What's back here, man? It's all speakers back there too. Fire extinguisher. Yeah. This kicks butt, man. Man. Pretty wild.